to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video from the birthday series. I really hope you guys are enjoying the videos so far. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a huge Nykaa haul. When I say huge, this really is probably the biggest haul that I've ever done on my channel. So this is basket number 1, basket number 2, and we have one more basket over there. It's a little far, so I'm not gonna get it. I still haven't calculated how much I've spent. We're not gonna do that because I'm dreading that, but I picked up so many things from Nykaa, some things that I really wanted and had been like eyeing for a while, some backups and just like some random purchases as well. Don't forget to go follow me on my Instagram because I'm gonna be doing a giveaway every single day of September on Instagram, regardless of a video is up on YouTube or not. So definitely go follow me on my Instagram, and let's just get started with today's haul. So the first product that I picked up is this perfume. So this is the Herrera's 212 VIP Party Fever perfume. This is like a limited edition perfume. If you've been following me for a while, you might know I was on a perfume no buy, but I was like, you know what, it's my birthday, I can buy one perfume, and this is what I picked up. It's so fun. Like the packaging is beautiful, obviously. It smells very nice. I mean, it has to. It was so expensive. This was for 5,700 rupees. Probably the most expensive thing from this entire haul. And yeah, I'm just gonna remember this as my 23rd birthday, and I'm gonna wear it a lot. I mean, a lot kahan hi pehnungi, jab bhi bahar jaane milega tab pehn lungi. So I picked up a few candles from the Bath and Body Works. The first one is this sweet cinnamon pumpkin scented candle. All of these are 3 big candles. Smells so nice. It's like perfect for like October, November. I think Diwali ke time pe also it will be amazing. By the way, these candles are for 2,300 rupees each, but tabhi koi to sale chal raha tha where it was at like 900 or 1,000 rupees. So I got like a few. The next one that I got is Leaves by Bath and Body Works. Now this is like a very, very popular scent, and I know why it's so popular now. It smells so good. Again, like a very fall and warm, musky sort of a scent. The last one that I picked up is called Pineapple Mango. I think this a lot of people will like. The packaging isn't that pretty, but it smells really good. It's very tropical, very summertime, very fresh. I really like it. I think I'm gonna light this in my living room. Like, I want this to be my living room scent. Oh, by the way, I also picked up one more candle a while ago, but I just wanted to throw it in here from Bath and Body Works. I'll pop it up here on the screen. It smells so incredible. One of the best scents like in candles is what I've smelled. It's really good. Definitely go check that out. I also have one more candle from Bath and Body Works. It's an old purchase, but in case you're looking for recommendations, definitely check this one out as well. It's called Salted Caramel. I honestly don't know why I picked up the next product. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is really cool. So Lip Smackers recently launched in India. I got this set of 6 lip balms with different flavors. So it has like flavors like Sprite, Coca-Cola, Fanta, and just like fun lip balm flavors. So I was like, why not? Even though it's like so useless, I just like use my Laneige lip balm, which by the way I have bought a backup for, but I was like, I'll just give one to like each of my friends and it'll be like a fun thing. And yeah, it does, by the way, taste like Sprite and like Coca-Cola and stuff like that. So yeah, I picked this one up. I think it would be like such a fun gift to give. Got 2 bottles of Bioderma. You guys know I am obsessed with this product and I use this every single day, whether or not I'm wearing makeup, to cleanse my skin. It's the absolute best. Also got a backup of these Power Gummies. These are hair vitamins with biotin in them. I've been taking them for a month and I ran out, so I got another backup. Finally, I got my favorite concealer. This is by Maybelline. It's their Age Rewind and I'm in the shade Caramel. A couple of months ago, I posted a haul. I think it was my quarantine essentials haul, and usme maine ye concealer kharida tha because I had ran out and I got the wrong shade. And can you imagine the stupidity that I did once? ठीक है, एक बार तो मैंने खरीद लिया wrong shade. even after that, like after a month, I bought again the wrong shade. I don't know how. So this is like my third concealer, and finally I got the right shade. I'm wearing it right now. It's so good, photographed so well, and even in real life it looks so pretty. Definitely buy this concealer if you're looking for one. Another backup, got the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. The really funny thing about this product is that last year on my birthday, I got this as a gift, and that was like the first time that I tried it, and I'm hooked ever since. This year I bought it for myself. Got a new highlighter. This is by Katrina, and it's a recent launch. This is the shade Champagne Fizz. Oh my god, this highlighter is so freaking good. I feel like the shade Champagne Fizz especially is so beautiful on my skin tone, like Indian skin tone. I think this is like the perfect mix of like golden and silver. I'm wearing it all over my face today. I'm obsessed with this highlighter. This is all I wear. I've like ditched all my old highlighters. I think this looks very pretty even in real life, and I think it photographs very pretty as well. So we have far too many lashes. The first one that I got was from Kingdom of Lashes, and the type that I got was Eye Candy. I'm actually wearing it on my eyes, and I quite like it. They are very dramatic. I do think these would look very pretty even without like an eyeliner or just lashes. I think they would look really pretty. I can't wait to like experiment. I'm personally very picky about eyelashes. I tend to wear like the same one or two styles over and over again. So I'm glad that I ventured out and I actually liked this pair. So yeah, this is Eye Candy. Obviously needed to back up on my favorite eyelashes. I actually got 5 of them by Rene, and this is in the style The Fairy one. So actually this comes in 2 different packaging. एक beautiful pink box में आता है, which is for 800 or 900 rupees, and then the other one comes in this black simple packaging. This is for 500 rupees. The lash inside is the same. I bought both of them just to like figure out ki what's the deal with like 2 different packaging. Under the lashes are identical. So like if you're looking to buy these lashes, get the cheaper one because under ka to item same hi hai. So yeah, I got a few of these because these are always sold out, you guys. And I like freak out if I don't have a backup. So got a few. And I also picked up pack M71. Again, one of like my old favorite lashes. I used to wear this with M72, but this is also very nice. Very affordable. It gives you like a very similar effect as compared to the Rene one, but at a cheaper price. It's for 375 if I'm not wrong. Another product that last year I got as a gift and I repurchased it this year for myself. This is by Glam Glow. This is their bubble sheet mask. I thought this product was so like fun and fascinating, and Glam Glow knows how to make like face mask, sheet mask. Oh my god, they are the best high-end mein. So like I picked up this one. I'll probably use this like on the day of my birthday. So I've been meaning to try Farsali for a really long time, but I just didn't because it's so expensive. So recently they came out with this kit which has 3 of their essences. So the first one is this unicorn essence. Then this also came with the volcanic elixir and the skin tune blur. So I really like the unicorn essence. It smells beautiful and gives me like that beautiful glow. Skin tune blur, itna kuch mujhe honestly I couldn't tell like a difference. And then the last one was the volcanic elixir, which I didn't really care for initially, but then I tried it because I got it. But I actually like this one the most out of all of these. This gives me such a beautiful glow. This is more like an oil. So having oily skin, I was a little bit repulsed by it initially, but it's so freaking good. I do understand the hype behind these products, but again, I will recommend trying the minis first because you don't want to invest in like a full size because they are very expensive. So get like a taste for yourself and then pick up the big size. I picked up my favorite mascara from Smashbox. This is their Super Fan Mascara. Now this mascara is for 2,100 rupees. It took a lot out of me to buy this mascara because it's so expensive, but oh god, it's so freaking good. So I was like, let's just like get this. It's like a splurge, but theek hai, I use it every day, so it's worth it. I also got 2 mini samples from Smashbox. दोनों primers है. एक oil and shine control primer है और दूसरा वाला photo finish primerizer है. I'll probably add these in like a giveaway because I don't really use primers, so waste हो जाएंगे. उससे अच्छा मैं giveaway में डाल दूंगी. I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to pick up like 3 mascaras at one go. I picked up 2 more mascaras other than the Smashbox one. I picked up have this Color Bar ka mascara, which is for I think 495 rupees. I thought because I'm buying such an expensive mascara, I should have other options for you guys also. And anyway, I want to try some more drugstore mascara, so I picked this one up. And I also picked up the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, which is like such a cult favorite. I think I have tried that mascara a while ago, but I don't remember how I liked it, ki kya ho gaya. So I was like, okay, we'll give it a shot once again. Got a backup of my favorite Herbal Essence shampoo. I showed this even in my hair care routine. This is the white strawberry and sweet mint. You guys know I have to like smell everything. So freaking good. My dad is obsessed with this shampoo. He'll wash his hair with the shampoo and he'll come up to us, like me and mom, and he'll be like, smell my hair, doesn't it like feel so soft? And it's true, it smells good, it makes your hair so soft. It's so good. Like, check this shampoo out. I also sath hi sath picked up my Pantene ka shampoo along with the conditioner. It was at like a great discount, so I got the combo. I was running low on my Mama Earth onion shampoo, so I was like, okay, I'll get the Pantene one because I don't like to use the same shampoos for like a long period of time. So I was like, it's time to like go back to like an old shampoo. Oh, I also picked up the Dot & Key ka chemical exfoliator. It's actually quarantining bahar because I just got it the other day. I'm so excited to try it out. I really hope it works for me. I've heard so many good things about the product. I even consulted Mansi Mao before getting it and she gave me a thumbs up, so I got it. I can't wait to share with you guys the results of it because it's been quite like magical for a lot of people, so I'm excited. And the last product that we got is by Color Bar. This is their Sinful Matte Lip Color and this is in the shade Obscene. So I actually have two of these. I bought one for myself because a few months ago, like quarantine ke pehle, I had met Mansi, okay? She had come over and she was wearing this beautiful lip color and I was like, what are you wearing? So she told me she's wearing this. I tried it on, it looked beautiful. So तब से मुझे खरीदना था, तो मैंने खरीद लिया अपने बर्थडे के लिए. और अभी थोड़े दिन पहले Mansi gifted me like a couple of things as like my pre-birthday gift, and one of them was this. So now I have two of these. I'll add one of them in a giveaway for sure. But yeah, that's my last thing that I got, and oh my god, this shade is so pretty. I'm actually wearing it on my lips with a mix of Cabaret Show from NYX. And yeah, I think that's it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm gonna make sure to link all the products in the description box below. And today's giveaway is for day 4. These are the makeup products that I'm gonna be giving away. Check out the description box for more details. In order to win, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simbaa Lifestyle, and tag 3 friends on my latest Instagram post. And I'll see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye!